I'm about to do a unboxing on the Chicago Electric 4-inch biscuit plate joiner. I got this tabletop I'm trying to make. I'm going to use biscuits to join these pieces together. I got my lines drawed so I can keep them all in line. This will be my first time using one. So let's unbox this thing. Oh, it's about to get serious. Y'all seen my miter saw in the stand. It's doing great. I love it. All the sawdust is from my planer. I didn't put it up, but I got one of those DeWalt planers. That thing's badass. All right, we got instructions and a tool, and this bad boy out of here. It's wrapped up. Cord. And what else is in here? Dust bag. Sawdust bag. All right. So, get out of here. Get the hell out of here. Oh. Isn't she a beauty? Nice. Nice smooth plate. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to figure out how to use this thing. Never done one of these before. They don't look too hard. I pick up on things pretty quick. I bet something folds down, I bet, so that you can set your thickness. There it is. I thought so. So we want to be right in the center of that. Not on that piece, that particular side, but we're going to be in here. So we're going to do each one of those down through there. So yeah, let's see about setting this depth on this bad boy. I know we want this to be 90 degrees. So make sure that's good and tight. And apparently that also sets the depth. That sets how far in the blade goes, I bet. That's what it looks like. Yep. Yep, there's a stop on here. There's a stop screw right there. That'll set how deep we go. Probably depends on what size biscuits I got too. So as you can see, when you push it in there, that screw is going to hit our depth stop here. So that's what that is. So apparently I've got to loosen these on both sides to set the center line also. But yeah, might help if I actually read the dang instructions. So let's open this up and see. Blah, blah, blah. Warning, warning, warnings. 3-prong plug-in. If you don't know how to do that, you need to go home. Go sit on the couch and watch TV or something. Sit on the couch and watch YouTube videos. All right. So, angle locking knob, angle fence, cutting guide, trigger lock, just shoot, depth adjustment. Yep, that's what that is. Figured so. Okay, one knob is for the angle and the other one is the depth. So here I am over here tightening them both up, thinking it's got to be squared, but yeah, that's how we'll do that. Sure is. So whatever our measurement is on this wood, we'll find the center on there and set this bad boy. There's some stuff on the depth stop, on your cutting depth, height adjustments, set the fence at 90 degrees, loosen the height locking nub, raise or lower the fence. Now here's our biscuit sizes. I don't know what size I grabbed. So Harbor Freight biscuits. I need to find them. They're laying around here somewhere. I'll be right back. Let me see if I can't find them biscuits. So after about 30 minutes walking around trying to find these things, they were in my shop where they belong. I could have swore I took them out yesterday and set them out here. So those are 20s, so we got the bigger ones here. Does this thing tell us? Oh, there's the 20 right there, guys. I don't know how well that's going to stay. Maybe they should have put some kind of lock on that, but we'll find out once we use it. So I'll have to get a measurement, divide that in half, and see where our middle's at. Easy enough. Pretty sure that's how you do it. So I'm going to end up cutting the ends off of these once I get it all glued up. So I marked them so I can keep them in order, 1 through 9. Let me get some measurements and we'll make our first plunge. I'll be right back. All right, our wood is 1.5 inches thick. So half of that's 3/4. I set this guy right here at 3/4 inch. So we got that set. I was curious, straight from factory, whether this set screw right here was already where it needed to be. So I took a biscuit, draw the line almost close enough to center, and we will see how close it is. Yep, it's right on the money. Nice. Okay, all right, guys, let's give this a go. Our first biscuit cut, biscuit joiner. Wait a minute, I got a leg in the way here. Okay. All right, I went and picked up my tripod so we could do this correctly. I got it clamped down, that way it doesn't move on us. I got me a line on the board. We're gonna line up the little red mark just like so. And let's give her a go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Wow. Nice clean cut. I like it. Let's pull these clamps off so we can flip it up here and look inside. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looks good, guys. I like it. Well, there you have it. Harbor Freight's Chicago Electric Biscuit joiner.